Here's how to hide distracting items on a web page in Safari on a Mac using macOS Sequoia or later. So let's get started. With Safari opened on a web page, click the page menu button shown here, then select Hide Distracting Items. Now, as you move your mouse pointer on the web page, you'll notice a blue frame surrounding items on the web page that can be hidden. Click inside the blue frame to hide items. Repeat to select more items. Then click Done to confirm or click Cancel. Items that are hidden on a web page will show the following symbol, an eye with a line through it next to Page Menu button. Repeat procedures just shown to add additional items. To show hidden items, click the Page Menu button, then select Show Hidden Items. You're then asked to confirm if more than one item is hidden as shown. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked this video, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming video. Peace.